Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. So in today's video, I'm not only cleaning up my vanity, but I am organizing it with some new system, sharing some tips and ideas, and I am making some easy, on a budget DIY project as well. So let's go and make it happen. Before starting anything else, I want to share the before of my vanity. I know it's embarrassing, it's looking very bad, but you can call it my laziness or another idea to make a video and share something with you guys. So first I take out absolutely everything from on top of the vanity and from inside of the drawers and place it on my bed. But for the safety of my bed, I place a towel, so if any makeup have a leakage, it won't ruin my bed sheet. And my girls were helping and organizing this vanity today.
What are you doing?
So after taking all this stuff out, I took a microfiber cloth and cleaned all the dust from top and from inside. Then I cleaned the vanity with a 50-50 solution of water and vinegar, and then cleaned the mirror with the glass cleaner. Then I already had these lipstick organizer and makeup organizer on hand, but you can see they are dirty, so I just washed them with a regular dishwash. Then I had these shelf organizer. I bought it from IKEA and I really adore it. It perfectly fit in my vanity, as you can see here, but still have some extra space on the side. So for that, I am trying different organizers. As I always say, that you have to work on a system which perfectly works for you. And then I tried to repurpose some other stuff. I bought this clip holder, this file desk organizer holder, and a mirror from Dollar Tree. You can use them as it is, and I'll show you how later on. But to enhance and to make it look more beautiful, I just spray paint them or with the golden spray paint and let them dry for like a couple of hours. Then I didn't have any perfume organizer, which I realized later. For that, I bought this stuff from Dollar Tree as well. I bought 4 square mirror, 1 circle mirror, and a candle holder, which I'll be using to make a DIY perfume holder. So I cut a cardboard according to the size. This cardboard will help them hold in one place. Then I use E6000 for more durability and attach them to the cardboard. Then I took the candle holder and attach it upside down to make it look real beautiful. I put a little flower in the middle. Then I attached the circle holder, the circle mirror on top, and add a flower to enhance its beauty. After it dried for 24 hours, I bring it back to my vanity and arrange all my perfumes on it. Now my perfumes have a perfect space and they look more beautiful on my vanity. So I have this another IKEA shelf organizer which I use for my another drawer, and I use this drawer to hold the extra jewelry which I use on a daily basis. And just to let you know guys that this drawer is not only for me. My girls use this drawer with me as well, so all their daily accessories, brushes stay in this drawer. Otherwise, my jewelry, regular jewelry, stays in this jewelry organizer which I ordered from Wish. I keep my jewelry in this little Ziploc bag and in tissue paper. Now come back to our makeup mess, which we made it on a bed. So I categorized my makeup, and then whatever makeup needs to be donated or needs to be thrown away, I did that, and then I sorted my makeup according to the category. Now perfumes are perfectly organized and they have their home. Now I'll use this mirror as a jewelry tray. So whatever jewelry I use it as a daily basis, I took it out at night and put it on my vanity. Then I'll show you later how I use this file organizer and this cute little cup. Now here I'm testing different organizers which I also bought from Dollar Tree, which are different sizes and different materials and different durability. But I perfectly like this acrylic 3-compartment jewelry organizer. All those 3 compartments are perfect to organize more stuff, and it fits perfect at this place. Now I'm arranging each and everything in this drawer by their category. I use this file organizer to store my palettes. My palettes have their home now, and they are perfectly visible through this organizer. As I always say, try to create a system which works for you. Whatever you need on a daily basis, put it in front of whatever is not required every day, just put it at the back. Now everything have their home and they are perfectly organized in their respective categories. My blushes are at one place, my highlighters at one place. Everything is not only organized, but it looks pretty amazing. Decluttering and organizing are always so satisfying and refreshing. And if you are trying any of these DIYs, please take a picture and send it to me. I would love to see your creation. And if you like this video or if you want to learn anything like this, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more videos like this.